is absolutely spellbinding.
There's so much going on, so much dance. It's amazing.
Stunning. They are so talented.
And it just literally brings the hairs up on the back of your neck. It's just incredible.
I think it's fab.
Unbelievable shapes that these dancers can make.
It's actually enlightened a passion in me which I've forgotten, and I thought it was overall fantastic.
It was very athletic, very sensual, and just mesmerising to watch.
I thought it was absolutely superb. I thought the way they changed the mood and the tone and the theme was seamless.
It's been amazing. It's absolutely wonderful to watch. The dances are incredible. I feel like I need to just either watch it all again or just take 10 minutes just to figure it all out in my head, because it's absolutely beautiful.
I'm quite surprised that dance without music could still be so different and so good. Yeah, I was really impressed.
I think it's been very good. The way the characters have been doing is quite natural, if you like about it over there.
I'm just amazed at how they move. They're marvellous.
Absolutely amazing. Pretty vibrant and very effusive. It's a pretty expressive performance all around.
And was completely bowled over by their talent, fluid movement and interpretation. It was amazing.
The movement itself was divine, and the dancers were even more divine.
I want what they've had for breakfast. With that energy, they're amazing.
Sexier than 50 Shades of Grey.